Emergency financial situations always seem to come at the worst times. And for those with bad credit, the stress of getting a personal loan to make ends meet can be severe. Unfortunately, dealing with poor credit is a more pervasive problem than some might expect. According to the Corporation for Enterprise Development, CFED, 51% of Americans have credit rankings that dip below the subprime range. What's more, having no credit history can be as much a hindrance as having bad credit. However, a poor credit score or a short credit history doesn't mean there are no options available. It's just a matter of knowing what resources are out there. Bad Credit Loans offers a simple and convenient way for these millions of Americans to have access to the funds they need. Whether it be for personal, business, credit card, mortgage, or auto loans, Bad Credit Loans connects consumers with a network of reputable lenders. Built around a mission of responsible lending and consumer advocacy, the site is a storehouse of resources for those in financial need. For people with poor credit, scouring the internet for a loan offer to suit their needs can be a daunting task to say the least. Bad Credit Loans takes the confusion out of the equation by doing all the heavy lifting. Once the short loan request is filled out on the site, a network of lenders reviews the request and makes an offer. Customers are not obligated to accept any loan offer, which makes Bad Credit Loans an easy, commitment-free resource for those with poor credit needing financial assistance. The requirements are both minimal and simple. According to badcreditloans.com, the specific requirements vary by lender, but the majority of our lenders typically require that borrowers meet the following guidelines: have full-time employment or self-employment, Social Security or regular benefits, possess a checking or savings account, be at least 18 years of age, and have a working phone number and email address. Once the loan offer is accepted, the lender will present a repayment schedule that allows customers to repay their loan over time instead or all at once. Bad Credit Loans requires no collateral, and no one is denied based solely on poor credit history. A steady income and an active checking account are the only security that lenders typically require. Personal loans intended to help in times of need are the principal type of loans offered by the site. Badcreditloans.com advises that a bad credit personal loan is not meant to be used for anything other than emergencies and is not the best way to get money for something less important, like a new TV. Taking out a loan in a non-emergency situation can compound some of the issues that caused a person to have poor credit in the first place. Bad Credit Loans also has access to a network of lenders for small business loans. Business owners are often faced with the challenge of getting their new ventures off the ground while shouldering the burden of having bad credit. Bad Credit Loans understands that many banks are reluctant to offer assistance to businesses until they are well established. While credit cards can be a source of financial health, they can also create problems for those with bad credit. Oftentimes, the inability to pay down a credit card balance is the very source of someone's credit woes. And with fewer and fewer businesses accepting checks, credit cards are often necessary to pay for goods and services. Bad Credit Loans helps connect those with bad credit to cards that allow them to access the credit they need without risking any further damage to their already poor credit rating. Secured cards are available and are often issued by banks or credit unions. These cards require individuals to open an account with the institution and deposit funds into the account. This money is held as insurance by the bank in the event that the bills cannot be paid. However, secured cards can carry high fees, so these should be considered carefully. All major credit card companies, like Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, issue credit cards to consumers with bad credit. These companies report to credit bureaus on a monthly basis, which means that those with bad credit can begin to quickly repair their credit rating while working their way out of debt. As a trustworthy consumer advocate, Bad Credit Loans has an unwavering policy of connecting people with responsible lenders. By providing necessary information that borrowers need to make educated decisions, Bad credit loans protects them from illicit lenders who engage in unfair or unethical practices. Moreover, the lenders in bad credit loans network adhere strictly to the most important federal regulations designed to protect borrowers.